Gar, little mateys, it's time to do a treasure hunt. Are you ready to find the treasure? Well, you've got to do these things to get to the treasure, and if you land on it, then you get it. If you don't land on it, then you got to start all over. Gar! So first thing you do is you reflect angle bad across the x-axis. This is a bad accent, isn't it? Sorry you've got to listen to it for the next 25 minutes. Gar! Just kidding, this will only take a few minutes. I'll stop the accent when I'm ready. Gar! So first you reflect it across the x-axis. Right there, it says so. Follow the treasure map. So it's going to go like this. You already know this. But now it's called B prime, A prime, and D prime. Gar, now we got to reflect it across the y-axis, the yaxis, what some of you do when I'm trying to teach. So quit yakking and get writing, and so we reflect it across the y-axis, piece of cake. But now it's not bad anymore, it's bad. B double prime, A double prime, and D double prime. 2 down, 3 more to go to get to the treasure. The next one says translate triangle bad such that x is just x and y is 4 more. Move 4 paces up. So that's all we do is move 4 paces up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's up 4. And this one's up 4. Gar, there she be. Now it's D triple prime and A triple prime and B Optimus prime, triple prime. That one's done. Now it says translate it +5 in both directions, in the x add 5 and in the y add 5. How easy is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's where D triple prime is. Quadruple prime. A must be right here, because it's 3 away from D. And B is right here, because it's 2 away from A. Are you tired of me accent? Too bad. Grr! You're stuck with it. Ha ha ha. Alright. Last one. Reflect triangle bad across y equals 6. Do you even know what y equals 6 means? It means you go up 6 and draw a horizontal line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. Right there. That's where you draw it. 1, 2, 3. Yes. And then we reflect it across there, and that means B just stays right there. A's going to be here. Now it's 5 primes. And D's going to be right here. And we're done. We found the treasure. The treasure's right there. I knew you could find it. Great job. Alright. Little mateys, you're going to turn your page over, or you can reflect it if you want. And you've got to do this same thing, but now it's a you do, not me do. So there you go. This is what you start with. Draw your triangle where that one be. Follow these clues, and treasure you will find. I almost rhymed. So, there you go. Draw your triangle. Then check off these clues as you go. Show Mrs. Monson where you ended. She'll tell you if you're right. If you're right, you can grab your Chromebook and start working on shape mods. Okay? And you got to get above a level 10 or a level 12, depending on what Mrs. Monson says to you. All right? So there you go. Have a great day. Thanks, you guys. And I'll see you Monday. Oh, and Mrs. Monson, if you want to stop the tape here, where I say stop now, you can stop it now and let them just look. But if you play the tape a little further, you'll see the solution to this page. So that's for you, Mrs. Monson. So I would stop now, freeze the computer so they can't see the solution, but you can. Thanks again. Stop here. And here's the solution, Mrs. Monson.